Hi, and thank you for tuning in again to this analysis for Euro USD May 18 to 22nd. I am Ifeanyi and let's get down to business. Thank you for tuning in. I love you. All right. Euro USD in the past week was actually bearish, though it's really attempted to make a new high, but some sideways movements, push up, come down, and then it finally closed lower, but it was more like a neutral pattern, sending some warning to the market. Let's look at the weekly chart. That's a spinning top there. That's a spinning top there. So it's a warning. Did I say bullish? But overall is bearish. Yeah, overall is bearish, but the spinning top is a warning. And again, when you look at the low for last week, it's a higher low compared to the week before. All right. So let's be careful this week when we are trading Euro. You know that Euro USD has a way of pulling some fantastic surprises. So traders, May 18 to 22, be careful. Trade carefully with Euro USD. However, when we go to the 4 hours time frame, we will see if we can run some Fibonacci analysis and pick some critical entry levels. Then we now see where we can find confidence with the pivot points analysis already done, which I'll show you shortly. All right, so I'm going to now, if you look at this, it's been sideways after the huge fall from the high of May 1. If you look at that, so let's do some Fibonacci analysis here. We'll run two analyses here. One from the high of May to the low of till the current low of May so far. That's on May 1 and then May 7th. May 1 was the highest so far in May, and then May 7th recorded the lowest. So based on that, the retracement has been, it has tested 50% retracement in the past week at 1.093, okay, and it came down right now. So what this is showing here, also considering the moving averages, all 7 moving averages are voting for the bears. You can imagine that all the moving averages voting for the bears, because if you look at this 14 and 7, the 14-day moving average and the 7-day moving average, the two of them, the crossing there is still pointing down. All right, so let's be careful here. As the week resumes, let's look at where to watch now. So I'm going to do the second plotting for Fibonacci, and I'm going to do it based on the high of the week that just ended with the low of the week. Okay, so let's have some. Let me remove this. Okay, we know where that's going. So let's look at this. In this coming week, 50% retracement is at 1836, and guess what? This is a place around where we may experience a confluence of key levels, the weekly pivot points. Let me show you quickly. So now I already did that, okay, and from the analysis here, I put it back to weekly. Let's look at this. Okay, so you see, N Forex pivot points, you can see the levels. Now let's see whether there's any confluence with Camarilla, between Camarilla and floor pivot points, because these are the two I love using. We have the weekly pivot at 1083, and then we have the weekly Camarilla buy at 1079. But let's look at, there is a confluence here with this Camarilla here, 1083, and then 1041 for weekly sell for Camarilla. So this is a strong area. Now around that is also where you have the Fibonacci 50% retracement. So for Euro USD, sellers may start looking at around this area, 1.0836 area 30 for sell. At worst, you could also hang around here, 1.0850 for a sell. Okay, so that's for the Euro USD, and around that 50, that's 50 level for the sell. That's for the Fibonacci retracement, 62% retracement. We also have the breakout level for the Euro USD on Camarilla, and who knows what may happen there. Then for the target, breakout target, 1.0886 for Camarilla is where we have a confluence again with the weekly resistance. So watch out for this. A sell around this place, 1.0886, possible sell around 1 point. Okay, this is a possible breakout rather. Okay, and that is if it fails around here. So if it fails around here, so it may just push up a little to 886, and you can have a sell there. So bear traders, if you're watching, take note of 1.0886 for Euro USD, 1.0850, 1.0836 for your sell limit orders. All right, so then for buying, possible buying, we might see a pullback to 1.0804 and then 1.0775. Now look at this, 1.0775. Here we have 1.0764 for the first support for the week. So here it may not be a bad idea at that 775 because price may attempt here again, but based on what has happened here, you may first want to push to go test the up there, and if that happens, then of course we'll begin to look at what to do around this area between 0850 and 0886. Okay, it's very critical around there. So let's take note of this. That's just a simple analysis I've got for you today for the week May 18 to 22nd for the instrument Euro USD. I trust you will trade to win and let the pips be on your side. Let them be green this week for you. Thank you very much for watching. I am Ifanuche. Have a nice week, a great profitable week.